Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your Kucoin account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Kucoin sign up. After you make search, you'll find crypto exchange, Bitcoin exchange, Bitcoin trading under Kucoin. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the official page of Kucoin. You just simply have to enter your email or your phone and click sign up, and just click on this checkbox and click here to create an account. After that, 6-digit verification code will be sent to your Gmail account. You just simply have to enter the verification code and sign up. In case you didn't receive the verification code, you can click here and the code will be sent again in your Gmail. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.